Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you Lowepro's Flipside Trek backpack, and it is model number 350. It is for all weather purpose. It is an active zone, also known as balanced comfort system. It makes you very comfortable when you carry it. Alright, let's turn around it. Here is suspended impact protection. Which is suitable for carrying 10-inch tab. Beside that, here is another compartment to keep your belongings, whatever you like. Here is also another compartment at the top, and it is a little bit spacious than before. Let's check about the reserve weather protection, which you get at the top of the bag. I have DSLR with mini daily lens. Sharp lens. Standard zoom lens 24 by 120. Alright, let's carry it. It has two stripes, one at chest and another at waist. You can flip it, then you can take your camera. Here is also a whistle for an emergency purpose.